April the 2nd. A date that probably means nothing for many, but a very special day for lots of families. It hurts to think that despite what you believe, lots of parents cannot see a smile on the face of their children, cannot even go to the park to play with them. April the 2nd is World Autism Awareness Day. It's hard to believe how widespread autism is in the world. It affects one child every 250, 40 every 1,000, 4,000 every 1 million. That makes more than 4 millions every billion of children. In total, in the world, over 28 million people suffer from autism. That's more than Australia's entire population. Stop thinking how to change the world. Now it's time to do it. We're Italian Ingenium team, and we're presenting the 5th Element project. One of the World Millennium Goals is to ensure that by 2012, children everywhere will be able to complete a full course of primary schooling. As an overview of our project, let's examine 4 different points of view, starting from the problem we are addressing. Every autistic person is deeply different from the other and has particular needs. Moreover, autistic children lack in motivation and interest in the world around them. We set very specific and ambitious goals for the 5th Element project, to create interest and motivation in the children, to increase communication, to help them socialize to motivate interaction, and to improve social participation by teamwork. Our approach aims at leveraging 2 main steps: the use of natural interest of children in technology to promote therapy, and the support given to therapists during their work. Ours is a 2-step solution. First, the creation of games with specific goals, customizable on the individual child. Second, the provision to the therapist of the ability to give remote support for therapy assistance. The 5th Element project leverages many of Microsoft's latest state-of-the-art technologies, such as Kinect for Windows, Windows Azure, Windows 7, ASP.NET MVC, and Windows Communication Foundation. These 5 pillars gives us the foundation of our 2 core components, a desktop application and the cloud services. Here's how it works. Children and therapists get registered on the web portal and can then interact with the services the platform provides, such as the online therapy journal. This allows both therapists and parents to monitor all the activities children are undertaking while playing and practicing. This desktop client allows children to perform many educational games, customizable by different level of difficulty to evolve with them. It is designed to work in the therapy center as well as at home, where the shared services allow therapists to monitor and interact with children during the activities. Let's see the main features of the project. We provide many different kind of games: sequential games, quiz games, music games, and interaction games. And we leverage different technologies such as voice recognition, gesture recognition, and body interaction. Sequential games are focused on teaching a sequence of action. Quiz games are flexible and adaptable to many teaching activities and are based on multiple choices. Music games are focused on motor aspects and are based on the emotion and the involvement that music can give. Lastly, interaction games, which are focused on communication and social interaction. We've done a hard work to be sure that every component can be deeply personalized by the teacher on the individual child, with different level of difficulty, to adapt to different characteristics of the disability. At the end of each section, teachers can insert notes about child response and comments for the parents to constantly keep them up to date with their child progresses. Parents can then view these notes on the website journal. One of the most important features is the remote therapy service. Therapists can supervision children when they play with the app at home, can communicate with the parents and remotely change the game settings to suit the child's needs. To draw some conclusions on our work, we designed the project to suit many different aspects of autism and to scale to many people thanks to remote support. We already have 2 specialized centers interested in testing the application with children, and their feedback will be very valuable in improving and extending our work. A special thanks goes to Dr. Laura Bortoli for her precious collaboration. Obviously, thank you for wanting to change the world with us.